Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Microsoft Teams on the desktop app. Whether you are using it for school or work, logging in is quick and simple. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed the Microsoft Teams desktop app. If you haven't, head over to the official Microsoft website, download it and install it. Once you have the app open, you will see the login screen. Here, you will need to enter your email address. Just type it in the email box and hit the next button. It should automatically take you to the next step. Then, you will be asked to enter your password. Type it in carefully. If you are using two-factor authentication, make sure to complete that step as well. Make sure you have your phone or security key handy to complete this step. After entering your credentials, Microsoft Teams will take a moment to log you in. Just click on continue and there you go. You are all set up and logged into your Teams on your desktop. That's it for today's video on how to log into Microsoft Teams on your desktop. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.